last time I was here, we looked at the question and we thought about which ones were math or which ones could be answered mathematically and which ones were opinion. Are there any up there that just kind of fall on opinion? Not really mathematical?
What color the grapes were?
Why do you say that?
Because we can't find that out.
And what do we have to go on to know what color they were? What do we have to refer to?
The girl who ate the grapes.
I mean, what is the information that you have in front of you?
How much
It's just that story, right? Now, if I printed this in color, you might have known what color graphic that is, but that might have been what she ate and maybe not. In fact, it happens to be red. That bunch of grapes, when you look online, they're red grapes. They're not green grapes. However, I agree with you. We don't really know we can't figure that out mathematically. Would it make a difference? Probably not. Is it fun to think about? Sure. Maybe you don't like red grapes. Maybe you don't like green grapes. Are there any other things up here that just rely on opinion?
Why she stopped eating about it.
Why do you say that?
Well, they're asking me why she did.
You could say because and not really have a reason. Yes?
Why we use 5 days instead of 7 days? Right.
Would there be a reason for that?
Yeah, but why should we break it up into 7 days?
How do you define a week?
7 days.
Always?
No.
Are there exceptions?
A work week, which is Monday to Friday.
Versus
Monday to Saturday.
versus a week. So we could have work week as our definition for week in this case. But again, is there anything in the story that tells you what the week is or how it's being defined? No? Are you sure?
Which is Monday to Friday.
Does it give you the starting and the ending?
Yes.
Okay. Of all of these, which ones might you pick to figure out mathematically? And in fact, let me number them. So we have 10 different questions there. And let's just do a vote. How many would choose to answer number 1? And how many would choose to answer 2? 3? 4? 5? 6? 7? 8? I have a few on 8. 9?
Yes.
10. Uh-oh, not everyone voted. I saw the most hands on 8, and when we were doing it, we had 3 people who said 8. I think we're going to pick that one. If you were to pick Monday, what else could you pick for that question? Which is? So some people might want to substitute Tuesday in there, or Wednesday, or Thursday, maybe even Friday. On the back, next to where Max is standing, there are some things. And each bag has about 100 things in it. I didn't count exactly, but I think most of them have more than 100. There's also some graph paper. Your group might want to use manipulatives, might not, to think about the problem. You might just turn over your paper and work on the back of it. So your assignment now is either to have one solution that the group works on and have it done, or maybe each of you will do your own in a group. So, if your group wants to use the manipulatives, just have one person go back there and get something. Otherwise, go.